What's up, gang? So, as you guys know, I occasionally do some 16 scale stuff, and I occasionally do some Steiger stuff. So when you combine those two, hey, this is what you get. So this is the Steiger Wildcat that Ertl brought out last year. Already a really great model, and in fact, I did a video just on that model, but now, of course, I've done some custom work to it. I added some chrome turnout exhaust. I thought that I'd have them paint them forward, look super cool, and I do think it looks super cool. I then took the hood off, which is really easy to do on these actually, just some screws on the bottom, and stripped it down, and then repainted, and then painted a flat black hood on the top there, you know, just kind of anti-glare, if you will, when you're cruising through the field. And then the wheels and tires, these are a 20.834 from Chucky's Precision Parts and Pullers. The wheels are my own that I drew and 3D printed. The planetary on that is to represent a Dynaplanetary, and there's actually several planetary options for these Wildcats. And anyway, so I chose that one. I just kind of like it the best. And then a banded outside dual there just to kind of dress it up. And I think it looks awesome with the two-tone Steiger red with a nice kind of silvery chrome outside wheel there. Just gives it some dimension and looks pretty cool, I think. The 20.8 tires are an excellent choice on this. I've done 18 434s on one of these as well, and they also look great. But the 20.8 just kind of adds to the beast mode a little bit, I guess. Here's kind of the I don't know, driver's side view, if you will. And yeah, I mean, keep in mind, these are great tractors to begin with. Ertl did a fantastic job on these. But, you know, some nice wheels and tires and just a little couple custom touches here and there will really set off a tractor like this. So anyway, guys, I know this is just a short video, but like I said, I did a full review of this tractor earlier. I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like after I get a hold of it a little bit. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Y'all are so good to me, and I just can't thank you enough. As always, we've got parts and things like that for theloveoftractors.com. I think I will start offering some 1/16 scale wheels. The tires you're going to have to get from Chucky or Dakota or Standy or somebody like that, but I think I've had enough requests for some of these wheels. I think I will start offering those here in the very near future. I need to catch up on some projects, some printing projects first, but I've had enough people ask for those. I think I'd be more than happy to kind of oblige there if, you know, just anybody's interested. So, all right, guys, thank you all so much. Have yourselves a great day, and happy tractor hunting.